How you can earn a minimum of 500 to 1,000 plus every single day from home. That's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. You already know, I never share false or misleading information on my channel. I always give you real and proven facts, and that's why so many of you love my videos. Maybe this one video could completely change your life, so I'll say it clearly. Watch this video from beginning to end. If you skip even a small part, you might miss the most important information, and if you miss the right information, watching this video will be useless for you, because sometimes a few minutes of the right knowledge can change your entire life. To become a millionaire or billionaire, the first thing you need is unique thinking. Your business idea must be different from everyone else's. You can't just do what everyone is already doing. If you're a student or unemployed, this video is especially for you. Right now in the global market, there's massive demand for T-shirts and polo shirts. Most people around the world love to wear them, and that's why thousands of people are in this business. But here's the truth. Not everyone succeeds because there are some secret techniques behind this business that only a few people know. Those who understand these secrets, they're the ones who make real success in this field. Earning $500 to $1,000 per day isn't difficult if you know how to do this business the right way. So how and where can you do it? How do you manufacture products, and from which country should you produce them? That's what I'll explain step by step. Let's say you only have $1,000 right now. You might think it's impossible to start with that, but I'll tell you, yes, it's 100% possible, because in this idea, money is not the main factor. Knowledge and strategy are. Most business people just buy products wholesale and sell them retail, but they don't know the real game, how to manufacture, export, and sell globally. If you learn these steps properly, you'll become a successful entrepreneur. Let's analyze the first step. Where will you sell your product? You'll sell your products online, right from your home. Do you know, today, almost every person in the world has a smartphone with an internet connection? They're always watching YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many other platforms. If you target them smartly through the internet and start your business from your own country, you can build your own brand in just 6 months that reaches global recognition. You'll start with T-shirts and polo shirts, but this is only the beginning. Later, you can expand into other products one by one. Now you might ask, how will I sell online? Yes, many people think they know how to sell online, but trust me, you need to know it better and deeper. If you're in the United States, the biggest online marketplaces are Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. Create an account there, and if you don't know how, just search on YouTube, how to create an Amazon seller account. You'll find plenty of high-quality tutorials made by expert creators. And if you still need help, we're here for you. Our contact information is given in the description box below. Then create your own business website under your brand name. Upload your products to your website and link them to your online marketplace accounts. Soon your products will start selling, first in hundreds, then in thousands, depending on your effort and strategy. Don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Just keep your confidence high and start the journey. Make sure to do professional product photo shoots and videos so that your products look attractive to customers online. You can start this business with just $1,000 of investment. Now you might ask, where will I get the products from? Should you buy them wholesale from someone else? Absolutely not. If you want to be a real entrepreneur, you must think, I will manufacture my own products. So which country should you manufacture in? I'll tell you, the best country for producing T-shirts and polo shirts is Bangladesh. Now you might wonder, how do I contact manufacturers there? Just go online and search BGMEA member contact list. You'll find all registered garment manufacturers with their phone numbers and email addresses. You can directly contact them. But remember this, never make financial transactions before verifying the company. If you want, we can verify them for you. We've been doing business in Bangladesh for over 20 years, and we have our own offices there. Because if they realize you're new to the business, some dishonest people might try to scam you. Not all, but a few. So be careful, but don't be afraid. Business doesn't stop because of a few dishonest people. You can even visit Bangladesh yourself. Getting a Bangladesh visa is quite easy. Once you're there, we'll help arrange your stay. With just $500, you can cover 1 month of accommodation, food, and local travel in Bangladesh. And once you're there, you won't only learn about T-shirts and polos, you'll discover many other eco-friendly and profitable business opportunities. Bangladesh is a beautiful country full of business potential. Now, suppose you don't want to travel, you just want to place orders from your country. No problem. You can choose any T-shirt or polo design online and send it to them. They'll manufacture it exactly according to your sample. You can even send them a photo you downloaded from the internet through email or WhatsApp. They'll make the product based on that image. Or if you ask them to show you some trendy designs, they'll send you hundreds of styles to choose from. My suggestion, when starting your business, focus on cotton T-shirts and polo shirts because cotton is comfortable and preferred by most people worldwide. If you need complete guidance, we're always ready to help you. Our contact details are in the description box below. From Bangladesh, you can get the best quality products at the lowest price. And when your business starts to grow, you can even set up your own small factory there. With around $5,000, you can easily start a small manufacturing unit. Why? Because labor, rent, and production costs are much lower there. Once your brand becomes known globally, your business will grow faster and bigger, step by step, and one day, you'll become a renowned entrepreneur in the international market. Wouldn't you love to see your own brand become famous and trusted worldwide? Then don't just sit and dream. Take action. Talk to us for professional guidance, and we'll help you from A to Z, from start to success. I've explained everything you need to know in this video. For any extra details or help, reach out through the contact options in the description box. My dream is to see you become a successful global entrepreneur through my channel. Someone whose brand becomes a household name across the world. Start small, produce in small quantities, and gradually expand as your sales increase. You can even ask for sample products first. If you like the quality, then confirm your full order. If you want changes, they'll adjust and resend. If you study the lives of the world's billionaires, you'll see every single one of them built their fortune through business. So why are you waiting? Start today. Whatever business idea inspires you, start with that. We'll guide you with the best advice and strategies. We know where to find the best products across the world, and we want you to use that knowledge to build your future. I want you to be motivated through this channel and become a respected and successful entrepreneur someday. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well, stay healthy, and take action.